Hey guys, Bruce from Epic Exposure LLC out here in North Bend, Washington. We're just taking a tour of the studio and some of the features. For this particular segment, I think probably what we'll do is we'll just describe the ceiling height. So one of the things that I've done is I've put some anchor points way up in the ceiling up here. And so we can hang tapestry, we can hang aerialist devices, ropes and fabrics, hoops, swings, we have all that here available. So I just want to show you one image, I guess, if we'll see if we can see it. This gal down here from Tacoma, from the Illustrated Ladies, she had her group come out and they were doing their performance on some of the ropes, aerialist ropes that they had. And so I was chasing up and down the ladder. We all had a great time, and I think they got some really good imagery out of it. So the ceiling height here does play a big role in what we can do. I've had a hammock. We went and we put a rope to one of the cleats up in the ceiling, and then it came down a certain distance. We put a hammock there and then wrapped the hammock in red velvet. And I had a gal come out, and she did an implied shoot as she was laying in this red velvet. It was kind of amazing. Imagery that came out of it. And so, again, that was something. The camera can be down here, and the people can be, going up and down in this vertical space. If you want to be Peter Pan, we can hook up the trapeze and the harness, and you can be Peter Pan. So, it's all possible. I mean, if you really want to fly, we can make it so that happens. So the other thing would be to put the camera, to reverse the position and put the camera in the ceiling, and then the activity happens down here. Now that changes your perspective on how you see what's being done. So whether it's a car, a motorcycle, a person in flowers, a milk chute, there's various products that are kind of cool when seen from above. And there's this whole climbing wall and stuff that we have here too. So I just want to let you, make sure that you're aware that the creative possibilities that you have in a space like this are endless. And the fact that we are clear span, all of this stuff is movable. There's nothing that's fixed. And so that we can open up this space, 100%. If you need the entire space, you want to play football in here, we'll figure out how to make it happen. So you just have to know what you want and then communicate with us so that we can decide how to best get you that. So anyway, it's just one of the things that make the studio very special. Okay, bye-bye.